Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is on command prompt question. The question is execute the following commands. So there are 5 questions under this question. Let's get started with the video. The first question is list all directories and files in current directory or drive. So open CMD or command prompt. Here firstly I'll change the drive or disk. To change disk, type disk name followed by colon and press enter. So I am working now on D disk. So the question is list all the directories and files in current directory or drive. So the command is dir and press enter. So here is the list of the files and directories in this current directory. There are a number of files and there are different types of files like text files, document and others. Next is create a file college.txt in current directory or drive. So before creating file, we'll use one of the directory, that is one of the folder. For example, previously in the first question I created directory or folder named strawberry. So I will use this directory. To use directory, type cd command, which stands for change directory, and name of the directory, that is strawberry, and press enter. Now let's solve the second question, which is create a file college.txt. Use command copy con and name of the file college.txt. Next press enter and type some text to edit this text into the file. Use Ctrl Z to exit. One file is created and edited successfully. Second question is check if college.txt exists by using appropriate command. Type if exist command space name of the file, that is college.txt, space echo. Echo is a command which displays message on the screen. So the message will be file exists and exclamation mark. Press enter. So yes, college.txt file exists in strawberry directory. Now let's check out using dir command if the file exists or not. We have already checked using if exist command. Now let's check out using dir command. And here is the all files in directory strawberry. So use command dir. So these are the all different types of file in the strawberry directory. Next question is list all files having .txt extension. So we have a list of the files which are present in the strawberry directory. We only want text files. So for text files, command is dir space star followed by .txt extension. So this will display all the files with .txt extension. Star indicates all files with extension .txt. Press enter. So these are the 3 files with .txt extension. Last one is delete college.txt. To delete a file, command is del, which stands for delete, followed by name of the file, which is college.txt. Press enter. Use dir to check, or you can even use dir/b. So the file college is deleted successfully. So we deleted file college and then checked whether it is deleted or not. So using dir/b command, we checked that college.txt is deleted completely. So these are the 5 questions. Let's revise these questions once. Over here, to display the list of all files and directories, use dir command. Next, to create the file, we need to use any of the directory. For example, here, as in the video, I used strawberry directory and then created the file using copycon command, followed by college.txt, name of the file. Press enter and type text into the file. Next, use Ctrl Z to exit and press enter. So here the file is created successfully. Next question we'll revise again is to check whether file exists or not. The command is if exists space name of the file college.txt space echo command and message. This is the message, file exists. Over here we have used cd, which stands for change directory, followed by file name. So this is cd's command, and alright, I'll write it on the top of the first line. So I will write here cd. First comes the command followed by the name of the file. So I'll just write this into the bracket for understanding. To change directory, use cd command followed by file name. So over here I have used command cd space followed by strawberry. Next, we'll revise 4th question. We have to list all files having txt extension. So use dir space star.txt. Next, delete college.txt. Use del space college.txt. So this is all about the second question. I hope this will help you to solve all the questions. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the like button and share. Thank you. Have a good day.